Hey, what's up, cutlery lover? Alright, I'm about to try out your nice little CL combo there. I like that, actually. Actually, the first type of aerial move that I've ever attempted, because normally sometimes I cut myself, like that little pointy one right over there. Got poked, but oh well. Alright, let's see if I can do this. Oh, I closed it. Oh man. Alright, here, let's try that again. Damn. Alright. Ow. See, I don't get it. Now I just keep closing it instead of opening it. Oh, motherfuck! Ow. That caught me in between my finger. Oh. I'm not really scared so much to cut myself. Finally, I caught it. But I'm not scared so much to cut myself. You know, because we all get cut sometimes. But I tell you what, it's just fun to do. That's why I just love flipping these things around. It's dangerous, but yeah, it's so much fun to play with. Even though, you know, it's not a toy. Ow. Ah. Oh, fuck. But, hey, thanks for the combo, man. Now I'm going to try out number 2. But, good job. I like that.